Hi friends, welcome to the Green Station. We are going to complete this station in 3 different class periods. I have each day broken down for you, and I also have it broken down in folders for you. So day 1, we are going to be learning about the difference between myths and stereotypes. So I have a video clip here specifically looking at what are myths, and then you'll do a post on it. I give you an example here as well. Then a video clip on then we have a video clip on what stereotypes are and a post related to that. Okay, then I created a screencast or kind of like a little lesson on looking at the specific difference between myths and stereotypes because we're going to evaluate some myths of Africa in our next lesson. So that's day 1 for the Green Station. Day 2, we're going to look specifically at myths of Africa. So in your station packets, you have a green handout because this is the Green Station. That's the one that you're going to use. First, you're going to do the reading on debunking common myths and stereotypes of Africa. And then you're going to work on that worksheet in your station packet, the green one. Okay, so first on that one side with all the boxes, you're going to just draw each of the myths, each of the 7 that are described in that handout or in that reading in the day 2 folder. Okay, so the reading describes 7 specific myths of Africa. You're going to illustrate, meaning draw a picture of each one, and please color each of the pictures as well. So you're going to not only draw them, sketch them out with a pencil, you're also going to color each of the myths. Okay. Then on day 3, we are going to flip that sheet over. And here's an example of what it looks like on the back. We're going to write why each of the myths are false, okay, or not true. And then we're going to define some of these concepts over here on the right-hand side of your handout, that green handout in your packet. And you're going to use this slideshow to help you do that, okay? So it goes through each myth, it explains why they're untrue, which you'll put on the left-hand side there. And then the sub-Saharan Africa side, you will add some of these things to your note sheet over here as far as some of those vocab words go, and then looking at colonization and the difference between a developed and developing country will go here at the bottom. Okay, so that is day 3. So you need the green handout for the Green Station for day 2 and day 3, and day 1 is just looking at the differences between myths and stereotypes and watching my screencast.